Hello and welcome back to Tom's Talks. Hopefully you guys are all keeping well. Today's the day. I've finally got my very first on this channel anyway, Louis Vuitton haul video. So hopefully you guys enjoy this haul. Well, quite like binge watching, I know I do, watching a wee haul video. Recently watched Winnie B LV and her haul, and it inspired me to think, oh, I'll do a wee haul video as well. So stay tuned for this video. So anyways, I'll start off with the first one in hand. Everything's in the orange and blue ribbon. You may be able to tell by the straight away of the box, very similar to one of the previous videos I was unboxing of. And also, over here, are you a person who pulls the ribbon across, or do you untie it at the bow? I can never seem to get the bow quite as perfect as the sales associates do in the shops, so I will try my best to slide this along. So I've been unsuccessful, but anyway, here's a little card that came in. This one does have the kind of 2020 festive print on the side of it. I've just had to pull the bow, so unfortunately this one's not getting saved. There's the box, a little clasp at the back for a little bit of elastic. And this was not what I was thinking was going to be in here, but without further ado, voila! So it is a Louis Vuitton travel book for London, and on the side it says Natsko, N-A-T-S-K-O. Comment below how you maybe pronounce that. We'll do a full video jumping into the London book itself, but as you can see, another coating similar to the New York one. This time it's in red and brown, and a different type of print as well, different artist for London, so we'll dive into that in another video, so make sure you stay tuned. Next one, we can guess what's going to be. SLG, knowing I'm an SLG fan. Slide this out. Ooh, we got a little dust bag. Slide it up. And we have a pocket organiser in Tega Leather with the marine blue with the red trim on the outside, and on the inside you can see that it's very red indeed. And also got it hot stamped with my initials, as it was a gift from my mum, and it's just a wee keepsake I'll keep forever. And this particular one is made in France, and I don't know about you, but I'm always preferring ones that if it's made by a manufacturer, like a German car manufacturer, prefer it to be made in Germany instead of like South Africa, for example. And I like a French designer brand to be made in France. That's just my preference. I don't know, some people seem to be saying quality USA ones aren't as good, so maybe with fortuitous being in Scotland, France is the closest one. Typically they're mostly made in France. Save the best for last, so big box we're going to keep for the end, so stay tuned. So here we have the box. As you can see, beautifully presented ribbon. This time, even though it was all bought within like a week of each other, we've got the Louis Vuitton card in standard orange, and we've got a bow which we'll try and save, so it might be easier to slide across. What is it going in these boxes? This is my first time having something in this box, so if you can guess what it is, below, extra 10 points to you if you're watching this video. And I'll slide it across. We've managed to save this ribbon. Pull this back, and it's magnetic, which is quite cool. I've only got a few boxes like this that are magnetic, but I said first time getting a rectangular box. Orange with embossed on top, Louis Vuitton, la 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 la, and it is my Louis Vuitton Meteor aftershave or fragrance eau de parfum, with a little dust bag of goodies in the bottom. So open it up. First time doing this, so hopefully it should be engraved with my initials. We can see it's got the Meteor fragrance in the box. Look how pretty. So this is one of the newer ones, I think came out in 2020, could be wrong. Anybody wondering, it is lined with felt in the bottom of that little packaging there. But it's such a nice kind of spring summer scent, I would say. L'Immensité is definitely my favourite one if you're looking for a Louis Vuitton aftershave or fragrance from a gent, either for yourself or as a gift, depending on who's watching. L'Immensité, I would say, without doubt, without even smelling it in the shop or something, is such a good one to go for. This is probably my second favourite out of all of them, and it's Meteore, Meteor is how I would say it. Probably butchering it, but I did get to say my initials across there in silver, so hopefully you can see that. T.S.D, like so. And the top of the box and the lid, as you can see, are also in that kind of dark chrome finish. Pretty nice little thing. And inside I've got a little cute dust bag full of wee samples of fragrances as well, so it's so adorable. A little bit of tissue paper, and quite nicely presented, I would say. Very cute, very happy. And last but not least, which I'm most excited to share you. Da-da-da-da. Ooh, what's this? So, one of the largest Louis Vuitton boxes I own. Very excited for this, very happy for this, waited a long time for this. And I was almost disappointed when I've been in and out of stock for a while. And it's so pretty, nice, easy to get off that bowl. So, that's nice, easy. Big box. I'm not sure if it's magnetic, it feels like it could be. Somebody can comment, let me know. First time having this box as well. I'll have to give you a 2-second guess to see if you can guess what's going to be in here. Open it up. Got Louis Vuitton tissue paper, which is nice and kind of the standard one. It's not as nice as the Game On one or the festive one they had. This is just so nice and so me. So, da-da-da-da. Voila. So it's a scarf. And it's not just any kind of scarf. I think what I like about it is it's almost 3-in-1. It's blue, which is my favourite colour. And it's very versatile. So, on the front side, you've got the navy blue with kind of a cobalt blue embroidery saying Louis Vuitton. It's got little tassels at the bottom. If I show the other side, it's got Louis Vuitton monogram motifs all throughout it, but if I turn it over, so if you extended that out, you can see the monogram continues, and then it fades into like just solid colour, so I think that's quite a cool feature. And then on the reverse, this is where it gets very handy and very Scottish. So we have as a blue and white tartan going across with the deep blue Louis Vuitton print solid at that end, and similar to the reverse, as you work your way across, if you can hopefully see that, it slowly but surely becomes like gradient into just tartan material. I think that's such a clever and quirky technique. First time I've seen it on a scarf with any brand, and that's just me, that's not saying it's the first time it's done, but I do like the gradient look, and I just think you get so much wear out of it, and ideal for being in a cold climate like Scotland. If you're in Southern California or Florida watching, you would never get really any use out of it, but for myself, just a nice wee piece, and it's just so delicate and lovely. It's going to be kept in there until we need it, so I'm not getting covered in dog hairs, but I digress. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this Louis Vuitton haul video. It's a haul by my standards anyway. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to Thomas Talks below, comment below maybe your favourite piece and what you'd like to see else on this channel. I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, that would be awesome. And also check out my other videos all in the bit below in the channel. Plenty of unboxing videos and reaction videos. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Ciao.